All right. I took my phone and I made some, like a couple of little holders with paper clips so I could put it up there on the little shelf above my desk where I've got my laptop and my big screen here, and then my big screen up there, and my other two screens over there, and my other screen here, and my other screen there. Oh man. Anyway, I was messing with my cell phone. My cell phone, for some crazy reason, does not want to write or read anything from the SD card that I've got in it. That's a little tiny memory card. So my SD card's kind of messed up. So I have to film this or save this video to the internal memory to my cell phone. I was looking at my YouTube, and I ended up with a big surprise. I'm sitting here, and I'm looking at my analytics, looking at my real-time analytics, and seeing, what videos are being watched, here and there. And I noticed that some of the videos were being watched multiple times, a little bit more than they had been a week ago, right? So anyway, I just kind of go up and I look, and all of a sudden I realize I have 15 subscribers. I'm like, how did I get 15 subscribers? I thought I had like 3, and all of a sudden, well, actually, I think I had 5. And all of a sudden I realized I got 15. And how'd that happen? I don't know. Just out of the blue, bam, 15 subscribers. But anyway, I get on there, and the channels that I subscribe to, I make comments. In the text comments area. I watch the videos all the way through. I watch all the ads. I watch all the commercials, whatever you want to call them. I do that because I know that the people, that have those channels are they're doing this because they want the views, and they want the comments, and they want the thumbs up, and they want to know that people are actually watching and see their subscriber count and increase. And I guess I reached a milestone today because I don't know, it's kind of weird. It's like something I've thought about, but I haven't really expected. Right? I make little videos, and I post them on there periodically, and people watch some of them. Some of them never get watched. Some of them actually get pretty good. I've got a couple of videos I didn't think anybody would watch, and they've turned out to be my most watched, my most viewed videos. Weird, huh? Crazy. Anyway, I just wanted to tell everybody that thank you. I appreciate it, and give me some thumbs up, and give me comments, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you. I'm going to pause this video now, and I'm going to get to work.